everybody, I am Andreea and today's video is going to be a tutorial on how to create this look right here. Now, if you're following me for a while, you know that this is not the kind of makeup that I usually do. But I was a little bit bored of the nudes and the simple, and I wanted to do something a little bit more extravagant. I want to have content for all the makeup lovers. Before we started, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed already, and click on that notification button. This way you will be notified every time I'm posting a new video. And if you would like to see how I've created this look, then please keep on watching. I have already done my eyebrows because I'm going to start with the eyes. So I've used Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in medium brown, and then I've set the eyebrows with the, where is it? Clear Brow Gel. Here it is. Also from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I've noticed in my previous video that I have a lot of texture with all these lights in here. I think it's normal. Not that I don't have it for real, but I think it emphasized a little bit more with all the lights. I just refuse to believe that my pores are that big. So I'm going to apply this whipped cream primer from Winky Lux. This is my very first time using this. It's very foamy instantly. It blurs all this texture right here. This is amazing. Okay, I'm going to ask my husband to change my lens. My husband! What? You heard me? Look at my skin right here. I mean, normally here I have a lot of texture. I still have it, but it's so much better. I'm going to make a mixture between these two concealers from Tarte. The Shape Tape Concealer. I'm going to mix light sand and light medium. Then with the Zoeva 331 brush, I'm first applying this all over my eyes, my eyelids, including here. Now, it's important to have a base like that. If you have those blue veins, if you want your eyeshadow to be more saturated, take this color Blank from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm using a flat brush from Da Vinci that seems like it has no name on it. Now I'm applying the eyeshadow only on my brow bone because I still want that stickiness in here, so I'm not gonna apply anything in there. But if your blending game is not on point, then I suggest you to use a little bit of powder, just translucent powder all over your eyelids. It will make your blending so much easier. Next, I'm going to apply this color called Creme Brulee. This is from Makeup Geek with a 221 brush from MAC. And this is going to be my transition color. Next color I'm going to use is this Burnt Orange from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm going to be crazy in here, apply it with the same brush, 221. The same burnt orange I'll be applying in the outer corner. Now with this color right here called Burnish, also at the outer corner in a V shape, I'm going to use this palette from Tom Ford. Looks like this. Aren't these colors so pretty? I'm going to apply first this color right here. This is a 217 brush from MAC. Now with a pencil brush, I'm going to take this color right here. By the way, this palette, it's called Violet Dusk. I'm applying this at the outer corner. A little bit of that color. I'm going to apply it right here on my inner corner. I feel like the colors in the Tom Ford palette are not so saturated, so I decided to use this color right here with my finger and applying it on the center of my eyelid. This is so not me. But it's okay to change from time to time. Now I'm going to take a wipe and just remove all that fallout. Ooh. Now I'm going to move on with the skin, and I'm gonna use this Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Foundation. This is in 228. Way darker than my skin tone because fake tan. Stop the game here. We have a too dark situation right here. I'm going to mix it with a little bit of creme brulee from Huda. Now I should normally apply this foundation on my ears, but can you just forgive me if I don't, because I'm not going anywhere. I'm just going to take some pictures and probably go to bed. Yeah, it goes with the hands. It's okay. Concealer. Life changer. I will use, as you can see, just a tiny little bit of light medium and some light sand. I'm just tapping with the beauty blender like so. This is even a little bit more than what I did for New Year's. Laura Mercier Translucent Loose Setting Powder. I make sure there's no product that creased. Then I take some powder. I apply it a little bit lower. Not exactly where I have all those wrinkles. Around the nose is where I like to apply the powder. And I'm not applying the powder and I let it sit in there. I just take a small amount of powder on my damp beauty blender. Then I just press the powder into the skin. Now with a puff like this, this is from Laura Mercier. I will take a very small amount of powder and I'm going to set the rest of the skin. If you take a tiny little bit of product and you don't get crazy with it, this is going to look very natural. Your foundation is going to last till you actually decide to remove it. This is a great technique if you've got really oily skin, if your foundation tends to run out your skin. I'm going to be applying Hoola from Benefit, one of my favorite bronzers. And I'm just tapping this onto the skin. Now I'm going to finish the eye makeup. I'm going to take first this color right here with a blending brush. Very lightly apply it on my lower lash line. And then with the pencil brush, this is A14. Yes, A14 from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm going to apply this color right here. So this darker eyeshadow, I'm applying it on the outer corner and the inner corner, not in the middle. Now I will take this color right here, apply it right here. Now with that 221 brush that I've applied the transition shades, I will apply the Anastasia Beverly Hills Burnt Orange right here. I'm going to take this color right here with a 331 brush from Zoeva and apply it right on the inner corner. I'm going to use this mascara from 1944. If you've seen my previous video, I really liked it. I'll take the MAC Extended Extended Play Giga Black Lash. I always forget the name. I've applied some false lashes, and this literally took me, I don't even know if I applied them correctly, about 40 minutes because, so these are the lashes, Rolling Stone from Mink Lash. You know, when I first get, this was brand new, when I first get a pair of new lashes, I need to cut them. So I always cut the outer corner, never the inner corner, because the inner corner is usually smaller right here, okay? So I made the mistake and I cut the inner corner for one of the eyelashes. So then I decided, you know what, I'm just going to cut them in pieces and apply them one by one. And I did that on this eye, and then, you know, I had to do exactly the same on the other eye. Yes, I hope they look good. I mean, I don't know how they look on cam, but for real, they're pretty decent. Since I've got such a situation on my eye, I figured I should apply something very, very natural on my lips. I don't even know what lipstick I'm going to apply, but I know that I'm going to use Oak. This is my favorite lip liner. It's from MAC. Isn't this Oak look absolutely gorgeous? MAC Honey Love. We definitely have a winner. MAC Honey Love. Beautiful color. Looks like this. I would like to apply a little bit more of the Oak. My upper lip is just disappearing. I'm going to use this blush from Too Faced, Pinch My Peach. I will apply this with a Morphe G40 brush. Now this look absolutely needs highlighter. I just don't know what the hell I should use. Do I have a new one? Too sparkly. This highlighter from Doso Colors. This is Mírame. I am being so extra with this highlighter right now. I'm going to apply this on my Cupid's bow. A little bit on the bridge of the nose, on the chin. Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mist. One pump. Should I leave my hair down? It's a little bit too much with my hair down, but I do want to show off my shorter hair. Now this totally works better with my hair like this. Please comment and let me know what you think about this look. As always, all the products that I was using, you find them in the description down below. So go check that out. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed already. Please follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Facebook. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!